Alright, I'm about to split the cases on the KX500 engine that's going in that RM250 frame over there. And I have one tip for any and all YouTubers out there. If you want to use your camera outdoors and it's humid outdoors, don't keep it inside in the air conditioning. I went and got my camera about I don't even know, 15-20 minutes ago, something like that, because I wanted to record something. And I was taking off the flywheel from right here. Since then the flywheel's off. The rest of the crankshaft is apart on the other side here. Got all the bolts out of the case. I'm getting ready to split the case. The stator's off. And I've got most of the gasket scraped off here. It's been a little while. Anyway, what I wanted to show you, well, two things. First off, this is the flywheel from the KX500. That's another hub from the KX500 flywheel I thought I had, but I don't have. I have to find something. This is the flywheel from this YZ80 engine. That came from that bike right there. That one's barely running now, but it's running, which I thought was kind of cool. That thing sat behind Scott's shed for I don't know how long. It's got a nicely modified rear fender, duct tape seat cover, a new tank because the old one was completely cracked up. Yeah, there's no way it was going to hold gas. Probably can't tell, but it's got a Kickstarter from a moped on it. But it runs. Anyway, another neat little toy. But this is the flywheel from that engine. And that's a different crankshaft. I don't know where the other crank is. It does not fit on here. The hub's a different size. But the flywheel itself appears to be identical to the KX500 flywheel. I'm not sure about the placement of the magnets. And it wants to spin around right now. But I thought that was kind of cool. The hub itself looks like it matches up. So I may actually be using that. But the thing that I actually wanted to show you is that as I was pulling this flywheel off with this gear puller, instead of just popping right off, I kept tightening and kept tightening, and it bent the entire flywheel. It's got quite a bit of a cup shape now compared to this one. So it may still work. I may be able to just beat it back into shape. I don't know why it was stuck on the shaft so hard. Isn't that kind of amazing? Granted, that wasn't exactly the right puller, but the correct puller fits into those holes on the side. So it would have had the same problem. I don't know. The rivets, I think, are going to be a little loose in there. There's a gap now. I don't know. I may just get another one. That rivet's kind of weakened. We shall see. Anyway, it's apart. I'm about to split the cases, and there's another crank going in there. No kidding. It's a crankshaft. And she will be running soon. Austin, there's the head I was waiting for. It's not in perfect condition, but it's not bad either.